Okay, I'm gonna try to do this, not a screenshot because I have to use this really cool tool with the compass. Okay, this is a safety compass. It's pretty awesome, okay? And I just wanna show you how to use it when we're doing the lesson for day 5, okay? You can read all these words and figure out what's going on. I'm going to try to show you these steps, okay? These steps to do with this awesome safety compass. Okay, so what we're going to try to do is construct an equilateral triangle. Okay, so the first thing is open the compass to the length of AB. So what we do is, this is the stationary end. This is the part that on a regular compass has a point to it. Okay, so what we're going to try to do is open our compass to AB. So I put the stationary end on A, so it's right in the middle there, and then I open up my compass. I can either use this end or I can use this end. I'm going to use this end, and I'm going to open up my compass to B. Now my compass sticks a bunch, but that's okay. So I'm going to move my fingers to make sure that it's open to AB, like that. I can see the little B in it when I do this. So then what I do is I come over here and I put the stationary end on A, and I make a mark with my compass, and then I put the stationary end on B, and then oh, you can't really see that, sorry, my bad. Put the stationary end on B, and then I make a mark, and you can see how the mark goes through this circle, or this dot here if I go like that. And then if I were to connect A to C and C to B as best I can, notice that triangle would be equilateral, which means all of the sides are the same. I'm going to show you again on the next one, okay? All right, so here's my line segment. I want to make an equilateral triangle, okay? So here I am. I'm going to open up my, compass so that it's that length. So I put the stationary end on one of them, and I'm going to open this up till I see the dot for N inside that hole. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. Okay, so now if I were to draw a circle, notice that would be my circle. Okay, so what I want to do is, I want to slide this closer to me because it's falling off the desktop and it's very hard to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mark up above. Oh gosh, I hope this works. I didn't even check that. And then a mark from over here. Notice I'm putting the stationary end, and I'm going to put a mark here like this, and there it is, those where they intersect. So that should be the same distance from N to up there, and from M, you can't even see that, from M to up there, sorry. I don't usually make videos this way, so there you go, that would be the reason why. Okay, and then one more time with this guy. Okay, so now this one, oh, you can't even see it. So this end here is the stationary end, but this thing in the center, which this is really hard to do, this thing in the center, it actually spins if I hold it. Okay, just FYI, it spins if I hold it. I'll give one of these to each of you to keep in your backpacks. Okay, so I have my stationary point on C, and I'm going to open up the compass to the length of B. Now notice or D. So I'm going to slide back and I'm going to put D inside that hole there, and maybe you can see that. Maybe you can't. I don't know, making sure. Okay, so then I make a mark over there, and then I do the same thing from this side. Notice I'm not changing it over here. And so now notice this arc was a lot longer because I wasn't exactly sure where that was going to intersect. So I just kind of guessed where I thought it might be. And then I connect the two, or three actually. I connect this with D, and I connect this with C with my straight edge. So when we measure in geometry class, we're going to find the distances by moving our compass, moving it. We're not actually going to use any of these measurements. We're going to measure, notice I'm putting it in quotes, we're going to measure using our compass and opening and closing it to the proper length. Okay? All right.